to the message? Should I still deliver it? Yeah, you know what, Tiana, what I find is a challenge for delivering messages from spirit is how do you phrase it, right? So yes, Tiana, I go ahead and try, right? But phrase it or frame it in a way it's like, to his mom's like, hey, yo, mom, right? This may or may not make sense to you. I know you're a religious person. Maybe you may or may not be open to this, but I really, really feel the strong need to deliver this message to you. I don't know why, but I just really feel really strongly that your son, right, has a message for you, and he just wants to let you know that he loves you, and just deliver it like that. Okay, whether she gets it or not, right? It is hard to just straight out say, "Oh, I got a message from your dead son," right? But like I said, if you could frame it in a way where it's like, I don't know why, but I just feel this really strong need to tell you to share this message for you. Okay, that's how you could deliver it. Hopefully that makes sense.